Hello guys, welcome to our channel American Money School. Our today's topic is why most Americans are still broke after 5 years.
Many might feel overwhelmed, trapped in the cycle of financial chaos, but change is within reach. It starts with awareness, understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions about spending. To truly take charge of your financial future, begin by examining your monthly expenses with a critical eye. Create a detailed budget that outlines your necessary costs, distinguishing between needs and wants. This clarity empowers you to see where cuts can be made, allowing for more savings and investments. As you gain control over your spending, you'll discover the freedom that comes from financial discipline. Remember, the journey to financial wellness is not solely about saving, it's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that fosters growth and opportunities. Taking a proactive approach means engaging actively with your finances on a daily basis. Look for ways to educate yourself on investment strategies, the impact of interest rates, and various savings accounts. Listen to podcasts, read books, or join workshops that inspire financial literacy. Surrounding yourself with knowledgeable people, mentors or peers who share similar goals, can provide invaluable support. Recognize that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires perseverance and patience, along with a willingness to adapt and learn from mistakes. By remaining committed to financial education, you'll not only enhance your knowledge, but also empower those around you to rethink their attitudes toward money. Next, set realistic financial goals that align with your values and aspirations. Break these goals down into manageable steps, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or investing for retirement. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each step forward reinforces your commitment and builds momentum. As you progress, reassess your goals periodically to ensure they continue to reflect your changing circumstances and ambitions. This adaptability fosters resilience in your financial journey, allowing you to navigate obstacles with confidence and clarity. Ultimately, viewing your financial path as a dynamic journey will keep you engaged and motivated to achieve lasting success. By embracing the principles of American Money School, you're not just learning about finances, you're igniting a movement towards autonomy and resilience. With knowledge as your ally, you can rewrite your financial narrative and inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of empowerment and transformation across our communities.